Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to paper trade on TradingView, the easiest way to practice trading without risking real money. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up. It's free and fast. Next, pick any chart for the market that you want to practice, like forex, stocks, crypto, or commodities, using TradingView's advanced chart tool. At the bottom of your chart, click the Trading Panel tab and select the Paper Trading and hit Connect to activate the virtual trading account with simulated funds. Click the Settings and next to your PayPal account name and set your starting balance like $100,000 or more. You can use the trade buttons or order panel to place a market or stop order. Your trade will show up the positions, orders, and history panel. Then lets you see how your strategy is performing without risking real money. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.